SocialNowa, always available.
Hello guys, this is Kabir and welcome to SocialNowa. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can generate more and more positive Google reviews and how you can reduce the chances of negative reviews on public platform. So that is what we're gonna see. So basically to do this, we are going to apply a few marketing strategies and we are going to use one of the template that we have already made for you. I'm going to reveal you everything that how we can do it. Okay. So let me go to the template. You can see here, you can see all the templates demo here. Okay, so I have decided already one template. I'll show you. The template is customer satisfaction template. Okay, if I give you live demo, you click on it. Let's click on it. Okay, so upon clicking, you can see it has already started. So okay, hey Kabir, would like to learn more about your experiences. Sure, let's do. And it will ask us like, great, would love to learn more. Please rate your experience. So you can say 5 star. Now, when saying 5 star, it needs to direct us to the public platform where we will generate review. If we say 1 star, it will just ask us to have a private feedback. Okay, private feedback that will be with you. So now what we have to do is one, if client is rating us more than 4 or 5 star, that means the client is happy, the client is satisfied, and the client will be ready to give us review on public platform. So in this case, we will direct them to the public platform like Google My Business Review. Okay. And in case if the person is giving you 1, 2, or 3 star, that somewhere means that the person is not really happy with your services. In that case, what we are going to do is we are going to simply ask them to give us feedback privately. So in this case, once the frustration of the bad services that client might have experienced with your business comes out, that frustration goes out, now he or she will not be able to go again to the public platform and write the review for you. Okay. So in this way, you are giving them the scope of letting their frustration out. If that happens, now it will be very much convenient for you to get their reply privately, to get their feedback privately. If you can improve it, of course you should improve so your business get flourished. And if you're not able to do something about it, then the reply does not go to the public and it will not hamper your business. So let me go to the chatbot. Okay, so basically if you want to enable it, you can, you know, enable it from here. This is how you will see the button. Okay, and I have disabled it. I will again re-enable it. I click on it. Okay, and this is how I can re-enable it. I click on this, and now let's go and see one of the template that we will be using. I'll click on bot templates. You can see all the templates. So I have to install this customer satisfaction template here. Okay, this template I'll be installing. I'll click on install. Which page I have to install it? I'll say career setting, click install it. Okay. Now template has been imported. I'll click on. Yeah. So template has been successfully imported. Now let's go back to bot manager from where we will edit the template. Okay. So having template makes it very easy for you. It already reduces all of your work and makes it very simple for you. Okay. Now here you can see bot flow builder. You don't have to create new flow. Remember that whenever you are installing any template, just remember this Postback Manager. Click on it. Always remember to click on Get Started button. Get Started. I've clicked on it. And here you will see the entire flow. Okay, so already we have imported the template. The template is already imported successfully. Let's see whether this template is active or not. Okay, let's see before we make any changes. Let's see this template is active or not. I'll go to Facebook. Okay, now let me delete this. Okay, I have come to this page. This is the page. Okay, let's click on message. This was earlier template. I'll just delete chat. Delete chat. Let's click on it. Okay, let's see whether the template is starting or not. get started. Okay, you can see this typing. Hey Kabir, we would love to learn more about your experiences. Can you please answer a couple of questions? Sure, let's do it. Great, we'll learn more. We would love to learn more. Please rate your experience from 1 to 5 star. The template has been installed properly because you can see, right? We would like to learn more about it. So now let's customize the template. Okay, how we will do it? So first you can see the plan template is starting with the action button, of course. Okay, and you can also, if you want, you can also put some trigger keyword. So review, rating, something, feedback, or something like that. Okay, that can also work. So for trigger keyword, you just go here, click on this. Okay, you can say in the trigger, you can write feedback, review, ratings, right? Something like that. So I'll just click done. Okay, and I'll connect this with the trigger keyword. Okay, so now we have two ways to start the flow. Okay, now we'll say get started here. Done. In the text, you can see the text is, hey, lead user first name, his name will come. We would love to learn more about you. I'll just give a post. We'd love to learn more about your experience. Can you please answer a couple of questions to help us improve our services? Now, delay timing is 3 seconds. I would like to keep it 1 second. Done. Now you can see here, two buttons are there. Okay. You already know how we can use buttons and everything, right? You have to simply click on button. Now there are two options given. See, sure, let's do it. Okay, done. And new postback will start from here. Okay. And then we have button called maybe later. And again, new postback will start here where we will say, okay, no problem. Type in provide feedback when you are ready. Okay, so provide feedback. This is where, see, this is interesting. If the person is not ready now, with the provide feedback, the keyword will start. The keyword, to trigger keyword will initiate the bot flow again. Okay, so now whenever the person is ready to give feedback. Now this was like, let's suppose option B, option A. Now let's go with the option A. Okay, okay. This is maybe later. And now we'll focus on this option. Okay, sure, let's do it. Now we have given them 5 quick reply option. Okay, with star emoji on it. You can see 5 quick reply option, right? With star emoji on it. So with the first star emoji, new postback manager will start where we are replying them. See, okay. So if person, you can see here, okay. Great, we would love to learn more. Please rate your experience. So 1 to 5 stars are there. If person clicks on it, let's see what will happen. Now the timing of delay is much. Now the delay timing is more. That's why it is taking time, but we'll reduce it to 1 second. Okay, so see, we are sorry to hear that, Kabir. We would like to learn more about your experiences. Please feel free to write any open feedback on how we can improve below. Thanks again for shopping with us. Okay, do you want to leave a review, something like that? Okay, now we will see the flow, how the flow is working here. So here is what you can see. We would like to learn more about your experiences. Please feel free to write any open feedback on how we can improve. Thanks again for shopping with us. And there is a button which says, do you want to leave a comment? And now we are collecting the feedback. Here we have used the user input flow. See, user input flow where we are collecting the feedback. Collect feedback. Okay. And this is how you will be collecting their feedback. Okay. Now let's talk about second option now. Okay, so this is with the first. Now what is happening, see the marketing strategy here. If the person is really dissatisfied with your services, you don't want them to go to like Google or Trustpilot or G2, Capterra or whatsoever platform might be there. Okay, maybe there might be new platform in your specific countries. You don't want them to go there and remove out all their frustration. Before they do it, you have to have some backup there. You have to have some gap there where they really bring out their frustration. Okay, and this will really help you, because you are giving them chance to channelize their anger, channelize their frustration through asking them feedback and telling them how we can improve it. Okay, this is really big thing, because see, one negative review impacts a lot. If you have got 100 positive review and there is one negative review, it really matters, because people think negative review is very genuine, and people go there, people see what frustration people are feeling. Okay, so remember that. If you think, no, if I have a lot of positive review, okay, so you have to make sure that you get minimum negative reviews. Okay, and this is the way to do it. So whenever you are giving, whenever you are having negative review, have it privately so you can improve on it. Okay, not publicly so your business hampers on it. Okay, so the same thing, the same formula will be using for the second star. So let's say second star. Now in the text you can see, we are really sorry to hear that, and again, do you want to leave a comment? So here already with the postback we have given the postback, and do you postback ID. Okay, so it will go similarly like this. Okay, and we'll do same with the third star as well. That means the people, that means the client is not that satisfied with your services. Okay, so we'll do the same with the third as well. Okay, now click on this postback ID. You can say, do you want to leave a comment? Done. Okay, now let's talk about the fourth and fifth. The person is very satisfied, or the person might have good experience. Okay, so in this case we really want to utilize it. Okay, in this case we will say, we're happy to hear that you are satisfied with our product and services. It would mean a lot if you could let, if you could leave us a review. Okay, if you could leave us a review. You can have this tone like again, you can use emoji of this emoji, right? And we'll set this second two. I'll click on one. Okay, yes. So now here we really want to make sure that the person give us review. Okay, and there is a button. Now let's say here is a button of sure, and where we have to send them to the public platform. Now I will tell you how you can get the link of your Google My Business review. You don't have to send them where they get confused. The link should exactly go to the review section where they just have to type the review. Okay, and I'll tell you how to do it. So don't worry, I'll come to that. Now this is what with the sure, not right now. If person say not right now, okay, you have to say, okay, no worries, thanks again shopping with us, we hope you have a wonderful day. Whenever you can say, whenever you feel to give us review, when you feel to give us your valuable feedback, you can simply type feedback. Why? Because we have triggered this keyword initially. So whenever someone types feedback, it will automatically start the flow. Okay, now this is how we will end it. We'll do the same with this sure. Okay, if person is saying sure, we'll give them web URL and done. And here if person is saying no, we give not right now this. So this is again similar to that one. Okay, similar to this one. Now let's say how to give a link. This is now your flow. I'll just save it. To save it, here is the button. You can save it. I'll save it. Now I have to give the link of the Google My Business. Okay, and this link should be exclusive of the review, where they just go and type the review. Okay, from your Gmail account. Okay, click on this. You'll see option of Google My Business profile. Click on this. Okay, now you are able to see the entire profile here. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to get the review. Most of the people, what they do is they just simply go to Google, they type their business and send this link. Okay, this is not how you have to do it. The link must redirect them to the Google review. And if you're using this link and giving it to them, they will not understand it where to give the review. Okay, you don't have to give them the chance to wander around, to go here and there and get confused. Okay, the other mistake many people commit is they give this link, share your business profile. If you are giving this link, it will look like this again. So again, this mistake you should not do. I'll tell you what exactly should be done. Okay, many of you may already know it, so not this one. You can see here there will be option of share review form. Okay, click on the share review form. Here you have to go and click on this and get this link. Okay, copy the link, and now you can see if you click on this link, it will, this is how it will look. Okay, I'll take this link, I'll go to the another tab. How does it look like? Okay, see, you can see the person directly comes to the review form. Okay, he will rate it and he will share the experience. So this is how you generate Google review, more Google review for your businesses. Okay, I'll just say cancel, come to the edit. Now here we have to, you can see the last where we say sure. Here you have to type down your web URL, control V, done. Okay, and again one more time here, you have to share the link, done. Okay, now we'll say save. Now we have saved it. Now let's check on the page. Delete chat, message, get started. So let's do. So we know what happens with the 1, 2, 3 star. Okay, let's click on 4 star now. We're happy to hear that you are satisfied with our product and services. Now, sure. Click on it, and you can see this has redirected me to exact place where I should be giving them review. Awesome. We'll say awesome. Click on it, post, and review is done. And I hope this was wonderful for you guys. I hope this was really, really eye-opening. This was really, really helpful to all of you. And now what we'll do is, now I'll again, so I just save it. You can rearrange this. You can rearrange this. Here is the option of rearranging, save it. Okay. And you can go back. This is really helpful to your business. And now one more thing. Okay. Come here. Okay, so now we will generate m.me link for this, so you can send it to your customer or your clients. Okay, so simply m.me link, I'll give you the simplest hack for that. So go to your page. Okay, now I am on my page. I'll just delete this chat to see our m.me link is working or not. Now here on top of this, you can see this particular URL. So your m.me link is simply m.me/your page. So here this is the page name. Okay, so I'll just click m.me and /career setting. I'll click on it, and this should give us or redirect us to the career setting page. Okay, let's get started, right? So I'll click on this, and this is the link that you can share everywhere, m.me/whatever is this. Yeah, sure, let's do it. Okay, and this is how our bot has started.